Hey guys, welcome to the first homeschooling video on this channel. My name is Aziiya and I am 10 years old, and today I'll be teaching you guys all about ratios. I hope you understand this because it's really not that hard, which I love about it. So let's get started. As you can see, we have a question, and that question is, what is the ratio of total shapes to circles? As you can see, there is a lot of shapes over here, like a lot of shapes over here. So, and the instructions say, write your answer as two numbers separated by a colon. For example, 2:3. Okay, let's give an example, like this one, 2 to 3. Let's say we have 4 to 2. When you're typing, it would ask you to either make a slash, like you're doing a fraction, or a colon. And when you're explaining this to someone, like you're saying 4:2, you can't say 4:2. You have to put 4 to 2. And I'm gonna get into why we say blank to blank. Let's get started. What is the ratio of total shapes to circles? So what we have to do, we really have to pay attention to detail when we're being asked this. You can, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, if you're doing this on paper, however your teacher or whoever teaches you asks you to write down ratios on pen or pencil and paper, they'll probably ask you to write it down like this, like that, 2, 3, 2, and then underscore, well, not an underscore, but 2/3. Because you can't just write a colon because you're not typing. But anyways, what is the ratio of total shapes to circles? So, what do you think is the two key words in this sentence, in this question? If you guessed total shapes and circles, you are correct. Why do we need to focus on the words total shapes and circles? We need to do this because if we do circles first instead of total shapes, things will get totally mixed up. That's why this is very detailed. So let's start. So because they're asking us what is the ratio of total shapes, I'm always make sure that you have the first question down packed like this, total shapes. We're just going to underline this because this is the important word that we're doing right now. Okay, total shapes. This seems pretty easy. All we do is count all the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 shapes in total. Now, after you've figured this out, no matter if it's asking you, okay, fun fact, this question is, what is the ratio of total shapes to circles? It's not always going to ask total shapes first. I hope you know that. But every time after you've counted what you needed, what the question asked you to count, the first one you need to write down whatever the answer was. And right here we have counted 10 total shapes. So we write 10, or because we are on a computer, we can type 10. But do not submit your answer yet. Do not be done. There is way more to this, which makes it easy. So, all right. We have all that. Now we answered total shapes, so we can cross that out. we can cross that out. Now the main one is to circles. There's not really any addition or subtraction to this, and again, that's what makes it easy. Now we have to count the circles because we already did total shapes. It says what is the ratio of total shapes to circles, and if you are writing this out, just write an underline. So 10 over blank. It kind of reminds you of a fraction. Want it to be 10 over blank. Because, we don't know how many circles there are yet. So, let's count the circles. There is 1 circle, 2 circle. That's all the circles. So now we write 2 under the 10. And now we write colon 2. That was pretty easy. The next example might not have as much, but you never know. All right, let's see if we got it right. Awesome. All right, we did it. See, now the question is, what is the ratio of hexagons to circles? It's not always going to say total shapes. The questions are going to switch up sometimes. So, what are the 2 main keywords in this question? If you guessed hexagons and circles, or hexagons to circles, you're correct. But why are these the main But why are these the main words in this question? Because we want to focus on hexagons to circles, not circles to hexagons. Because here's what's going to happen. Because you can't do circles to hexagons, because doing it backwards will get everything messed up and you might not get the question right. So let's do this again. First we do hexagons. Whatever's first, you do first. Or else. So, that is the first word, hexagon. So let's count how many hexagons there are. It was pretty easy. There is only 1 hexagon. You guys have probably seen that before I even explained this. But, alright, there is 1 hexagon, so we type in 1. And again, if you're using paper, you write the number 1. Alright, now we have hexagons, and now we write. What is the ratio of hexagons to circles? 2. Now we count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 circles in all, so we do an underline. And then 6. And if we're typing again, just do what we normally do. 1 over 6 is when you're writing. You call it 1 over 6, like a fraction, just like how you would do in fractions. And 1, and when you're typing, obviously 1 to 6 or 1:6. Submit. All right, guys, this is the last one. What is the ratio of total shapes to circles? Because this one is a little easier, that's why this is the last one. So, what are the 2 key words and what are the 2 key shapes in this question? Pause the video so you can think about it. You guessed it. Total shapes and circles. Total shapes goes first because it asked us what is the ratio of total shapes first. And then we do circles. Okay, total shapes. This is easy, 1, 2, 3 shapes in total. So we write 3. And then there is 1 circle. There's 1 circle and over 1. there you go. That wasn't the best one, like, at all. But, okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm at 3 to 1.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!